I forgot to post an update today. So I had talked to my nurse about cold capping during chemo. So for anybody who doesn't know, cold capping is you go in and you get fitted for this cap that fits your head really snug, and it's just a bunch of tubes, and they run ice cold water through those tubes and keep your scalp super cold. I think it's like somewhere between like 65 and 74 degrees, somewhere in that range. And it's supposed to, the way the nurse explained it to me, there a lot of companies will bill it as you're able to keep your hair during chemo. What it is for most people is it helps your hair grow back faster after chemo. And some insurance companies cover it and others do not. If they don't, it's $2,000 out of pocket. Got the news. Of course, my insurance doesn't cover it. We've got pretty good insurance, but it doesn't cover that. Great. So I had a breakdown when I found that out at work today. I'm getting past that. Taking me some time because I was really hoping to have at least some hair, like a decent, like maybe here, like a little bob or a little mullet or something for our vow renewal in November. But that's not going to happen. So there's that. But since we're talking about hair, a little happier thing. I am going to the salon this weekend. I'm going to get some vivid colors, and with the only exception being no greens, no yellows, no oranges, right around framing my face. I told them they could do whatever they want. It's just hair. This time next month, I won't have it. So what difference does it make? So I figured, you know what? We're going to have some fun. I was hoping, at least they'll make a hairdresser's day, because you give them that kind of creativity. It's like telling a tattoo artist or whatever, like, hey, the stage is yours. Do whatever you want. So I'm kind of excited. I don't know what they're going to do. I know she had some ideas, but I don't know what she's going to do. I'm secretly kind of hoping it's going to be kind of pastel-y, because I've done the bold colors, and it'd be kind of nice to try some pastels. I had a friend of mine suggest like rose gold or mauve, and I started looking up those, and they are gorgeous. I did mention that in passing to the hairdresser, but I was like, you know what? Like, my original idea was to just let y'all do whatever you want, so that's what I'm doing. I'm sticking to my guns on this one. It may look great. These girls are super talented. I don't think they're going to do a bad job. Now, whether or not it looks good on me, I don't know. We'll see. But it's just hair. And I'm kind of hoping for, like, chemo curls. Maybe I'll have those when it's all said and done. But, having some comfort food tonight, having some pizza. So, yeah. And one of my favorite pizzas, too, Little Caesars. I'm going to pay for it tomorrow. Absolutely going to pay for it tomorrow. But that's okay, because my big shipment day was today. So, yeah, that's where we're at. Wrapping my brain around that being my reality. Don't know if I'm ready for it yet. Anyway, yeah. Cancer sucks. When you don't think it's going to be you, and it's you. I'm adopted, so I didn't have no real knowledge of family history of anything like that, so I was flying blind. But my girls know now, at least this. And if me going through this will prevent them from going through this, or my granddaughter. I'm happy to do it. So, anyway, sorry. Gonna have a fun hair color this weekend, and I'll put the video when it's all done. I'm excited. My girls at Sinister Cuts, I've mentioned before. They're such good people. They're such good people. Anywho, yeah, that's my update. We'll keep y'all posted. Have love. See y'all later. Bye-bye.